In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you need to do is just go and open up your Start menu, go and search for OneDrive and click on the app like so. Now once you've opened this folder, you can then come down to your taskbar in the bottom right hand side and you should be able to see the OneDrive icon. Now if you can't see this here, you can always click on the upwards arrow and you should be able to find it from this list. Now to go and disable this, just right click on it. Now once this window pops up, go and click on Settings and then press Settings from the list. Now there's two ways that you can go and turn off OneDrive. The first one is by clicking Account over on the left hand side and you can just click on Unlink this PC and this will completely unsync this computer from OneDrive. Now the other way you can do this is just by clicking on the icon once again. You can then click on Settings and you can select Pause Syncing and then you can select how long you want to disable the OneDrive for. So you have the option of 2, 8 or 24 hours and you can also quit the OneDrive as well, which will stop syncing to your computer. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.